In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jira dashboard for a team, step by step. Jira dashboards are one of the best ways to give your team a clear, real-time view of work progress, priorities, and key metrics all in one place. Whether you're a project manager, team lead, or Jira admin, this is a must-have setup for better visibility and collaboration. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged into the Jira account where you want to create the dashboard. This should be the Jira workspace used by your team. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Jira home screen, sometimes called the For You page, where you can see recent projects, issues, and activity. Next, look at the top navigation bar in Jira and click on More. This menu contains additional features that aren't always visible by default. When you click on More, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, click on Dashboards. This will take you to the Dashboard section in Jira, where you can view existing dashboards that you have access to, including your personal dashboards and any shared dashboards from your team or organization. Once you're on the Dashboards page, look for the Create Dashboard button. Click on Create Dashboard to start setting up a brand new dashboard for your team. This is where you define how the dashboard will look and who can access it. Now you'll see the dashboard creation form. Here, you need to fill in the required fields. Start by giving your dashboard a clear and descriptive name, such as your team name or project name, so it's easy for everyone to recognize. Next, add a description if needed. This is optional, but it's a good practice to explain what the dashboard is for, especially if multiple teams will see it. Then, set the sharing permissions. Make sure you adjust the access settings so the right team members can view or edit the dashboard. This step is important if you're creating a dashboard specifically for a team and want everyone to have access. After you've filled in all the required fields and adjusted the settings to your needs, click on Save. Jira will now create your dashboard and open it automatically. At this point, your dashboard is created, but it's still empty. From here, you can start adding gadgets like issue filters, sprint boards, pie charts, burn-down charts, and more, depending on what your team needs to track. You can customize the layout, rearrange gadgets, and fine-tune filters to make sure the dashboard shows exactly the information your team cares about. And that's it. You've successfully created a Jira dashboard for your team. This dashboard can now act as a central hub for tracking progress, identifying blockers, and staying aligned as a team. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Jira tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.